Alright YouTube, after that exciting NS816 coal train, now we have NS V18-01 eastbound here in Suffolk. Just knocked down Kilby, and today is June 1st. 35 years ago today, Norfolk and Western and Southern merged to create Norfolk Southern, baby. So it's a special day today, celebrating the 35th anniversary of Norfolk Southern. And he has a diverging clear. And we have V07, it's also on the move. He's got a 4-pack of it, he's got a quad squad. Quad squad. Got EMD again, it looks like. Dash 9W command. 8975. Yeah, thank you. 65. 95. 84. Yeah. Well, they bought NS V18-01. Yeah. Woo. 3423 just got his cab upgraded in Roto. And he trails third with a top hat trailing second. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, what? NS V18-01. Clear Suffolk. Diverging clear Suffolk, main one each. So here we'll run. This is one squad of NS units with a Dash 9W, a C40-9 standard cab, an SD40-2, and an ES44AC as they will continue east. And here comes the end of it. Woo-hoo! Wow! What a great lash up there! Well, there you have it. NS V18-01 heading eastbound with a Dash 9W, good friendly crew, a C40-9 standard cab, an SD40-2 that just got upgraded, and an ES44AC, all leading NS V18. Well, there they go, proceeding east, and V07 is on the way. Thanks for watching.